Wheels on the truck go round and square, round and square, round and square. Off to the east to show fun's in the air, laughter and joy everywhere. Bounce on the bouncy castle high, touching the clouds up in the sky. Cotton candy twirls, oh my, smiles and giggles by and by. Ride spinning fast and slow, up and down we go, you know. Games and prizes all in tow, Easter magic starts to show. Kids with balloons, colors bright, chasing each other in the light. Face paint with the tiger's might, happy faces, a joyful sight. Carousels and sweet delights, popcorn popping tasty bites. Underneath the twinkling lights, family moments shining